All right, here we go. We got the ecotric electric bike. It just came out the box, and we're gonna go ahead and put this together. Now today is a really hot day, so if you see me sweating on the video, don't even trip. So I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can. But the first thing I wanna do is, let me do this. First thing I want to do is take this off. I don't know if you can see me or not. I hope you can. Let me double check. Make sure you can. Make sure you can respect the handle. We're gonna take this off first. So basically, I got this off. I'm gonna just sit this down to the side. Right now, let's free up some of this other stuff. So let's free up some of this stuff. Let's unwrap a bunch of this. I basically freed the handlebar up. Hey, don't mind me if I'm saying things and I'm not using the right terminology. I'm not like a bike expert. I just know how to ride without falling. So I'm just gonna line it up with this, like so. Tighten that up. Tighten this back up. And one thing you wanna do, just make sure the forks are straight. You don't want the forks facing the wrong way. So now I'm basically going to take the handlebar, let me get down here, just put it in here. The piece that we took off goes over it. You can kind of see there's like a little line right here. You can tell that's the center of it. Yeah, basically, that's all you're gonna do. Now that I got that on there, let me see. Let me do it this way so you guys can see. So we're just gonna take this out. This is where the brakes, it's the disc brake, so it's gonna slide right in between there. So this, and this pretty much goes about through there. Alright. So we're gonna get the paddles put on here. I'm looking to see if it has any markings for left and right, and yeah, I see it. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right there, trust me. It has an R, and then the other one has an L. So let's get those put on. So let's get this bike lifted up. And I know I probably mentioned this before, but in case I didn't, this bike does have some weight to it. But it's not too heavy where you can't handle it. You can handle it. So let's get the seat put on. Dang. Okay, so let me try to finesse it a little bit like that. Okay. I realize with this, you don't want to make it too tight. Not initially, because to me it feels very flimsy. So it's got a USB port on it, so I'm gonna leave a little room for that. So I'm gonna leave it up some, and then I'll tighten it up right here. Oh, a bell, yeah. So all right, what's up, man? Yeah. Put my horn on. I mean, not horn, but the bell. Same thing, I guess. I'm gonna put that right here. Why am I using a drill? Because I can. And it ain't working. Don't use a drill, just get a regular screwdriver, folks. Stop playing. Come and get it. So now that I have the bike pretty much put together, last thing I'm gonna do is put the battery in it. So basically put it on here, and it kind of slides and clicks into place. Now this can slide back up if you release that. So that's why we're going to lock it in place. Locking it is this way. So let's turn this on. I just gave it some power. I'll put the seat up and throttle. All right, I'm just giving it a little bit. Let me see.